Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this marathon session. My name is Ronak Shah, and in this session, we are going to revise the complete arithmetic. So I'm sure all of you are ready, and let's begin. So before we go ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. So I have completed my MBA, and I'm also an engineer, and I have more than 12 years of training experience. And I have trained more than 10,000 students in this period. So I'm sure you will enjoy learning with me. Quickly show me a thumbs up if I'm audible. Yeah, can you please show me a thumbs up if I'm audible, everyone? Yeah, am I audible to everyone? Show me a thumbs up. Let me just confirm the mic so that there is no confusion. Show me a thumbs up. Yeah, okay, fine. So I think I am audible to everyone. Great. Okay, so guys, we have the best of the educators on this platform, so make sure that you have subscribed to this channel so that you can enjoy all our sessions. So let me quickly brief you about the agenda of this session. So we are going to revise percentage, all the concepts, and we'll practice plenty of previous year questions, then profit and loss, ratio proportion, average mixed allocation, time and work. So this is what we are going to revise in this next 2 hours. I'm sure all of you are ready. And once again, this is our channel, Unacademy CAT4MBA, and also be part of our discussion group, CAT discussion group. Yeah, just a second. Yes, so this is our CAT discussion group, so please be part of this so that you can get regular updates. Hi Robin, how are you? Good afternoon. And guys, so I forgot to wish you happy Independence Day. So I'm sure you are all having great time on our this 74th Independence Day. And yes, so I'll suggest that you also go for subscription so that you can also attend my plus courses. And I have recently started a new plus course, and I'm also starting few more plus courses. So in case if you have just started your preparation, this is the time to go for the subscription and enjoy all the benefits. So these are the various plans. I'll suggest you to go for at least 6 months plan, or you can also go for 12 months plan, because your preparation would go on for more than 6 months if we include GDPI and other entrance exams. And if you're planning to appear for CAT next year, then surely go for 24 months plan. Now, whatever plan you choose, you just apply this referral code of mine, that is SHAH10, and you will get 10% waiver. And do not forget to inform me on my WhatsApp number or on my Telegram ID. So guys, let's begin and let's crack it. So first we are starting with percentages. Before that, I have a puzzle for you. So guys, let's do a small exercise. Everyone, can you please write down a 3-digit number quickly? Just write a 3-digit number. So for example, I am writing my number 1, 2, 3. Same way you write down your number. See, I know what number you have written. Okay, so you'll be surprised as I have written at the end. Now just rewrite that number at the back of the original number. So I'll write 1, 2, 3 once again. Okay, have you all written this? Robin, have you written this number? So this will become a 6-digit number now. Now divide that number by 7. So divide this number by 7 and you will obtain some quotient. See, once again, this will be perfectly divisible. Okay, right. So is it perfectly divisible? Just tell me, could you divide your number perfectly by 7? In case if you are not able to divide, that means you have forgotten the division. So if you want, you can also use calculator for time being, because this is an exercise, but I'll prefer that you do it on your own. Okay, right. So now you must have got a quotient. So divide this quotient by 11. So after dividing by 7, whatever quotient you obtain, divide by 11, and again it will be perfectly divisible. Then what quotient you obtain, divide that quotient by 13 and see what you get over here. You'll be surprised to see the result. Yeah, correct. Okay, so what number have you obtained? Okay, so all those who are watching this particular marathon session right now, can you quickly type your name or show me a thumbs up in the comment section, because I can see there are plenty of students who are watching it. Yeah, Sumit, Adil, Harshal, Vaibhav. Great. Okay. So could you divide this quotient by 11 again? Yeah. And then whatever quotient you obtain, divide by 13 and see what you get over here. You will get your number back. Isn't that? Did you get your number back, guys? Show me a thumbs up if you have got the number back. Right. So then you need to think, why are you getting your number back? Okay. So this is something, this is about number system, of course, because we have completed number system. So before we start with arithmetic revision, I thought why not to throw a puzzle or some tricky situation related to these numbers. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Robin, you had chosen a different number, but still I know that it would be divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So that is what you need to tell me. So why is it happening that way? Right? So guys, think about this and keep attending my session. In one of the next sessions, I'll address this part. So let's begin with this one. Okay. Let's begin with this percentage concept. There were plenty of puzzles, but our focus today is on revising all the concepts. Okay, so first thing that you need to understand is percentage calculation, fraction and equivalent percentages, right? So of course, as I mentioned earlier, for percentage calculation, if you want to find out something like 61% of numbers, say 350. So you will not do it like this one which you used to do earlier, 61 upon 100 into 350. Don't do it this way. Instead, I have already shown you the shortcut. Case 61% can be broken as 50% plus 10% plus 1%. And quickly think in your mind, what is 50% of this number? So can I say it should be 175? It should be 175, correct? Then what is 10% of this number? 35. So 175 plus 35, 210. Plus 1%, 3.5. 210 plus 3.5, so 213.5. So this is how you should get the answer. Of course, when I'm writing the steps, you may feel that it's slightly more time consuming, but actually when you do it, it doesn't take that much time, right? So please do all your calculations like this. And apart from that, please remember this table. It will be very, very handy. Fractions up to 1 by 12 and their equivalent percentages. In fact, during the basic calculation session, I had mentioned that you need to remember fractions up to 1 by 12 and their decimal equivalent. So 1 by 12 is equal to 0.08333. It was a recurring decimal, so we just multiply that decimal by 100 and we'll get 8.33%. Same way, 1 by 5 is 0.2, multiply by 100 and you will get 20%. So same way you can remember this fractions and equivalent percentages. Then the next thing that you had to understand was multiplying factor. So when you want to find out 28% of x, it will be 0.28x. Or when you want to increase a number by 35%, so you will have to multiply by 1.35. You will have to multiply x by 1.35 when you want to increase by 35%. Do you remember that, guys? Yeah. So can you quickly tell me what will be the multiplying factor when you want to increase a number by 2.5? Can you tell me this thing? Type your answer in the comment section. Quickly do it. If I want to increase a number by 2.5%, what will be the multiplying factor? See, please understand, how did we get this 1.35? It's 100 plus 35. When we want to increase a number by 35%, the number itself is considered as 100% plus 35% of that number. So it is coming out to be 135%. If you want to remove this percentage sign, you will have to put 100 in the denominator. So this came out to be 1.35. So same way, this will come out to be 1.025 into x. 1.025 will be the multiplying factor. Same way, what about this one? Decrease by 57%. Yeah, hi Ankit, good afternoon. Right, you are correct. Both Robin, Ankit. So what will be the multiplying factor when you want to decrease the number by this percentage is 57%. You want to decrease by 57%. Hi Isha. So guys, decrease by 57%, it should be 100 minus 57. So it will be 43%, right? So divide by 100. So multiplying factor should be 0.43. So result will be 0.43x, right? So whenever it comes to dealing with variables in percentage question, you might have to use this multiplying factor. Please remember that. Increase by 20% and then decrease by 24%, guys. What shall you do? Increase by 20% and then decrease by 24.5%. Please quickly tell me. Sure. What will be the multiplying factor for this one? First of all, find out what is the net percentage change when you increase by 20% and decrease by 24.5%. You know, if you have attended all my sessions of percentage, I had taught you a shortcut, very important point about the successive percentage changes. You need to apply that. In case if you missed that point of time, don't worry, I'll revise it once again. But yes, I want you to give a thought first. So most of you do it this way. You know, ideally you can do it this way. Take number 100, increase by 20%. So it will become 120 and then decrease by 24.5%. Now this will become slightly complicated. See, had it been decreasing by 25%, yes, I can easily do it. Okay, it will come out to be 90. 25% of 120 will be 30 and reduced by 30, so it will come out to be 90. So it should be close to 90. But if I want to find out exact value, guys, if I want to find out exact value, so this will become complicated. So what you can do is, instead of doing it this way, guys, do it this way. Take the number 100, first decrease by 24.5%. First decrease by 24.5%. So can I say this will become 75.5? Now increase it by 25%. Increase it by 20%. You know, in percentage, in the successive percentage changes, order doesn't matter. First you decrease, first you increase by 20% and then decrease by 24.5%, or vice versa. It will not matter, right? So I know that finding 20% of any number, 10%, 20% of any number will be easy. So I'll keep that increasing by 20% for the later stage. Right, everyone? So this will come out to be 75.5 and I decreased by 24.5%. Now I need to increase by 20%. So finding 20% of this number is very simple, because 10% will be 7.55, right? So 7.5 का double 15 होता है, तो 7.55 का double कितना होगा? 15.1 होगा कि नहीं? And you want to increase by 15.1, correct? So this will come out to be 90.6. It will come out to be 90.6. So can I say the net change over here, the net change over here is 9.4% decrease, or you can straight away say the multiplying factor will be 0.906x, because over 100, see, you want to make 100 to 90.6, so the multiplying factor should be straight away 906, 0.906x. Guys, are you all able to make out this thing? Everyone, have you understood the point that I just made? Isha, Robin, Ankit and others. There are a few more students who are watching, so I'm not able to see your name. Guys, if you can just quickly type something in the chat box, so we can also have interaction. Yeah. Great. Okay, fine. So this is how you had to use the multiplying factor. Keep that in mind. See, today it is going to be the complete revision of arithmetic, right? Most of the areas, of course, time and work and time, speed, distance, I'm going to cover tomorrow in detail so tomorrow I'm conducting one more marathon on arithmetic just on time and work and time, speed, distance, right? So please attend that marathon. It is going to be on Unacademy Learning app, right? So you all should be following my profile on Unacademy Learning. Tomorrow 2 to 5 p.m. 3 hours only, time and work and time, speed, distance. We are going to discuss 50 questions. Okay, so be there. It is something that you should not miss. Hi Tanay. Yeah, good afternoon. Fine guys, then I had also taught you one important point, successive percentage change in that. See, for example, there is a person Mr. A. Understand this example. There is a person Mr. A. His salary was increased by 25% and then it was decreased by 20% after a year. So, over the period of 2 years, at the end of first year, his salary was increased by 25% At the end of second year, his salary was reduced by 20%. So what will be the net percentage change in his salary? So guys, if you calculate this thing, it will come out to be 0%. Take his salary as 100 rupees, increase by 25%, so it will become 125. Now decrease this 125 by 20%. So what is 20% of 125? We know 20% is 1/5. So what is 1/5 of 125? It is going to be 25. So again, it will come out to be 100 after these two successive changes. So I can say net change is 0%, right? So we have identified certain pair of percentage which will cancel off each other. Like 25% increase will be cancelled off by 20% reduction. So same way you can say 100% increase will cancel off by subsequent 50% decrease. 50% increase will get cancelled off by 33.33% decrease. 33.33% increase will be cancelled off by 25% decrease, and so on and so forth. So these are the pair of percentage that you need to remember. Now guys, where are we going to use? Let me give you straight away some of the NMAT snap easy questions. So you will be given question like this one, that a person spends 1200 rupees every month on the petrol, and he gets some liters of petrol, say 10 liters of 10 थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? He gets 15 liters of petrol at the price of 80 rupees, right? So this will come out to be 1200 rupees, isn't that? Now after a month, the prices of petrol has gone up by 25%. The prices of petrol has gone up by 20%. So by how many percent should he reduce his consumption so as to keep his expenditure safe? So guys, 25% increase will be cancelled off by 20% decrease. So what is 20% of 15? It's 3 liters. So that means he should reduce his consumption either by 20% or you can say 3 liters. In such situation, this concept of successive or pair of percentage increase decrease becomes very handy. Guys, are you all clear? Everyone? Okay, fine. Show me a thumbs up quickly. And yes, do not forget to press the like button. Okay, that's the ritual of every our YouTube session. Great. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with the next concept. Okay. Now let's look at, so this is what we have to mainly understand as far as percentage is concerned. Guys, just look at this one. This is also an important point, the last point. If a value increases by X% and then decreases by X%, the net percentage change will be X square upon 100%. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आप किसी की सैलरी को 20% बढ़ाते हो और फिर बाद में वापस 20% कम कर देते हो तो नेट चेंज 0% नहीं होता है, याद रख लेना. कितना होगा? तो 20 स्क्वायर अपॉन 100, इतने % का रिडक्शन होगा उसकी सैलरी में. आप चेक करोगे तो 4% कम होगा. करेक्ट? तो ये पॉइंट ध्यान में रख लेना, ये भी काफी यूजफुल होगा. ओके एवरीवन, फाइन. सो लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस क्वेश्चन. चलो ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, yeah, Tanay, just to address your query, you have asked this question that 41% is given as 1250. So what is 100%? So very simple, just cross multiply. So you will say, you will get 1250 divided by 41. I mean, this is what you can do. ठीक है? That's it. फिर अभी आपको थोड़ा सा कैंसिल ऑफ करना पड़ेगा, इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि देखो 41 is not a factor of 125 or 1250. 1250 is not divisible by 41, so it is going to be some decimal answer, right? You will have to do it. Are you clear with this point, Tanay? Fine guys, so solve this question 1 minute and tell me the answer. Everyone, please try for this question. In an examination, the maximum possible score is n, while the passing marks is 45% of n. So can I say passing marks? What is the multiplying factor for 45%? 0.45 n. Maximum marks is n marks. The exam was of n marks. सो पासिंग मार्क्स कितने हो गए 0.45 n मार्क्स हो जाएगा, ये पासिंग मार्क्स हो जाएगा. अ कैंडिडेट obtains 36 marks but fails short of pass marks by 68%. Now see, please understand what does it mean by this one, fails short of pass marks by 68%. guys, अगर पास मार्क्स आपके 100 है, पास मार्क्स 100 है and you are failing short of 68%, मतलब you have scored 32 marks, you have got 32% of passing marks, right? Correct. Okay, so can I say 36 marks is equal to 32% of passing marks, right? So I can just write this in equation form. 36 is equal to 0.32, 32% means 0.32 into P is what, 0.45 n. Now we can easily find out value of n, right? I mean, we just need to cancel off certain factors, so n will be equal to, now there are two decimals, so you will add 2 0 on this side, two more decimals, so 2 more zeros, so this will be 36 into 100 divide by 32 into 45. क्या सबको ये स्टेप समझ में आ गया? क्या किया मैंने? See, 0.32 is 32 by 100, 0.45 is 45 by 100. Both this 100 will multiply with this 36 when we take it on the other side, right? So it will be 36 into 100 into 100 upon 32 into 45. Now you can solve this question. Yeah, okay. So now you can easily solve. Can I say 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36? Correct. Same way, I can say 8 4s are 32, है ना? So this will become 1. Then 25 4s are 100, 2 4s are 8. Then here 52s are, so this will get cancelled off and this will come out to be 10. So finally, when you solve this thing, it will come out to be 250. That is, the total marks were 250, which is in this range. Are you getting this point? Just to confuse you, they have given you the option in the form of range. Yes, Isha, are you there? Good. Ankit, you got it right. Robin? Okay, fine. So shall we go to the next question, everyone? Fine. Right. So here is one more question. Okay. So I think we didn't discuss this question earlier during the sessions, right? So this is a good question. Please try for this, everyone. Please try for this question. You know, this was there in the percentage session, but I think we had not discussed this. So in case if you have solved on your own, so probably this question may be a repetition for you, but otherwise all the other questions will be fresh questions. So recently a band was to perform in India. However, there was widespread criticism of high cost of its tickets. So the organizers decided to offer the following discounts. If the tickets are bought in the group of 6, the buyers will get 6% discount per ticket. Okay, guys, per ticket will remain 6 and total discount will also remain 6%. So if you buy each ticket at 6% discount, if you buy 6 tickets, so you can't say total you have got 36% discount. No, overall also you have got 6% discount. Just think about this calculation, right? Then if you buy 7 tickets, together, then on each ticket you will get 7% discount. If you buy 8 tickets, then you will get 8% discount on each ticket. Yeah. So now the tickets were originally priced at 25,000 per ticket. Any additional tickets above the lot size, matlab suppose if I buy 9 tickets, so I'll get this 8 tickets will be obtained at a discounted rate, and I'll have to buy 1 ticket at the mark price. Okay, this will be at a discount of 8%. This 8 tickets will be at a discount of 8%, and this additional 1 ticket will be at mark price. But if I buy 15 tickets, then what I can do is I can buy 8 tickets in the bunch of 8, so I'll get 8% discount on each of the 8 tickets, and remaining 7 tickets as a bunch of 7. So on those 7 tickets, I'll receive a discount of 7%. Correct? So how will we calculate the total discount in this case? So a group wants to buy 13 tickets. What is the minimum average ticket price they would need to pay approximately? Yeah, hi Soham. Yeah, good afternoon. So this is a good question, guys. It's a CAT question. So I hope all of you are solving this. Okay, so it's very simple. I mean, 13 tickets. So can I say I'll buy 7 tickets at 7% discount and 6 tickets at 6% discounts, right? And 7 tickets at 7% discount and 6 tickets at 6% discount. So can I say I'm getting 7% on each ticket, right? So 7% of 25,000 on first ticket, 7% of 25,000 on second ticket, and so on and so forth. So can I say my total discount will be 7 times 7% of 25,000? This is going to be my total discount on this one. Same way, what will be my total discount when I buy 6 tickets at 6%? So I'll get 6% on the first 25,000, I'll get 6% on the second 25,000 and all. So total discount will be 6 times 6%, right, of 25,000. But guys, this is not how you should be solving this question. So let me show you another method, because this will get into lots of calculation. So what we can see is, can I say, let me write down ticket numbers: first ticket, second ticket, and so on and so forth, 7th ticket, 8th ticket, 9th ticket, up to say this is 13th ticket. So I got 7% on this one, 7% on this one, up to 7% on this one, then 6%, 6%, 6%, right? Because these are a bunch of 6, these were the bunch of 7. So total discount that I got was 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 49%, plus this is 36%. But this total discount is obtained on 13 tickets. So effective discount per ticket, per ticket discount can be calculated like this one: 49% plus 36% divided by 13. So this will come out to be 85% by 13, right? So if you solve this thing, what will it come out to be? So can I say 85% of by 13? So this is what you need to find out. This is the discount that you have obtained. So now if you want, you can convert it to decimal, but then that will be too complicated. So what will be the ticket price that I'll be paying? So 100 minus 85%, 85 by 13%, this is the price that I'll be paying, right? So this is what I need to find out. So what is the minimum average ticket price that would require to be paid? So I need to find out this many percent of 25,000. Have you understood this? See guys, for example, if I got suppose 8% discount, okay, so how will I calculate ticket price? Can I say my ticket price will be now 92% of the original price? If I get 8% discount, then my ticket price will be 100 minus 8, that is 92%. So how much percent discount have you obtained on an average? 85 by 13% discount. So I'm subtracting it from 100. So if you solve this thing, this will come out to be 1215 by 13 into percentage of 25,000. Now percentage means put 100 in the denominator, correct? So put 100 in the denominator. So now you need to solve this thing. So you can quickly use calculator. In fact, if you have calculator available, you can straight away find out this thing, this many percent discount, using calculator itself, right? So let me show you how can we do this thing in calculator, everyone. Let me open a calculator and you will understand. So in CAT exam, this is how you will actually solve the question. Yeah, so I'm just opening this calculator on your screen. See, I had to give this much discount, 100 minus 85 by 13%. No, it will not come out to be 0.065. Please understand, it will be different. Let's see what is the effective discount. So first of all, I'll calculate, 8500 divided by 13. So this is the, sorry guys, I made a mistake. We have got this much discount na, 85 by 13% discount. So we just need to calculate 85 by 13, right? So I mean per ticket I have got 6.5384 something discount. Now you subtract it from 100, right? So this is the effective ticket price that I'll have to pay. You multiply this one by 25,000 and you will get your answer. Correct? So your answer will come out to be 23365. Okay guys, and of course you will have to divide by 100 because that was the percentage, right? So you just put two more decimals here. You further divide by 100 because we didn't divide it by 100. So this will be your answer. 23365.38 is your answer. So we have been given the answer over here as, let's check what option we have been given. 23365 is the second option. Can you see this? The second option, everyone? Yes. So this is the answer. Once again, let me show you what did we do, everyone. What did we do? Total discount is equal to 7% on 7 tickets plus 6% on 6 tickets. So average discount will come out to be this 85%. This is equal to 85%. 85% divided by 30. So this will come out to be something 6 point, what percentage have you obtained? So when we did that, we got that as 6.54. This is 6.54%, right? So I'm getting 6.54%. So ticket price after discount should be 100 minus this discount, that is 6.54 divide by 100, because this many percent of 25,000 into 25,000. This is my ticket price. When I solve this thing, so I'll get 23365 rupees as my answer. Yeah, hi Bala. Have you all understood this, everyone? So we have understood that this question 2 times, right? So I'm sure all of you are clear. So now please try for this one. Please try for this, everyone. And this is again a tough question. This is a tough question, tougher than the previous one. Previous question was not tough actually. This is actually a tough question. You can take up to 3 minutes time. Everyone, you can take up to 3 minutes time. Tanay, did you understand this part? The previous question? Robin, Tanay. Quickly show me a thumbs up. Okay, so now guys, look at this question. The tickets were originally priced at this one. Any additional tickets were billed at original price. A college group wants to buy 36 tickets. Instead of 13, they have made it 36. That's it. What would be the minimum price per ticket that they'll have to pay, right? What would be the minimum price per ticket? Now, what is the best combination of 36? You know, so 36 को हम maximum कैसे हमें discount मिल सकता है उसमें? So how can we do it? So of course you can buy 6 groups of 6 tickets. So on each one you will get 6% discount, or you can you can try to maximize. Maybe you can also do it this way: 3 groups of 8 tickets. Let me just write a proper way, otherwise you will get confused. So here I am writing, so group size number of groups, total tickets, group size, number of groups, total percentage, and average percentage. Yeah, so this will simplify things for you guys. Of course, we need to buy total 36 tickets, so I can do it this way: 6 groups of 6 into 6, so total discount will be what? Can I say 36 tickets पे हर एक पे आपको 6% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. This is the total discount. So every discount will also come out to be this divided by 36. You know, it will be 36 into 6 divided by 36, which is equal to 6% only. Same way, I can also do it this way. Like I can make a group size of 8, and there can be 3 such groups. Okay, and so total 36 group. Okay, so 3 groups of 8 members and 2 groups of 6 members. So what will be the total discount that I'll get? Can I say on this 24 tickets I'll get 6% each, and on this 12 tickets, sorry, I'll get 8% each over here, and on this 12 tickets I'll get 6% each. So total discount is this much. What will be the average discount? So total 24 8s are 192 plus 12 6s are 72 है ना. So this is 192 plus 72, that is 264. 264% divided by 36. So this will be your average percentage discount. Same way, what else is possible, guys? Can you think of something else? Because see, in this one we are getting 8% on 24 tickets, and on remaining tickets also we are getting some discount. So is there any other combination possible apart from this, guys? For 36 tickets, what else can we do? See, of course, another way is you buy 8 tickets, you buy 32 tickets in the groups of 8. So on 32 tickets you will get 8% discount. See, you can also do it this way, but that will not be good actually. So you can buy group size will be 8 for such groups. So the total discount will be 32 tickets 8%, and then remaining 4 tickets, 8 4s are 32. So number of groups such 1 and 0% discount. So total discount, if you check in this case, 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. So this will come out to be 256%, correct? And average discount will be 256 divided by 36%. Are you getting this point, everyone? But this numerator is definitely less than this one. So can I say this looks like a best combination? So the best combination will be, best discount will be this one, 264 by 36%. Best average discount percentage will be this one. And if you solve this thing, so what will be the value? Because both of these are divisible by 6. So how many 6 are 264? Can I say 46 6 are? No, 44 6 are 264. Further, this will be 22 and this will be 3. So 22 by 3, what is the value? 22 by 3% means 7.33%. So ticket price after discount should be you can say 92.66% of 25,000. Guys, please calculate this. 92.66% of 25,000. Let's use calculator. So 25,000 into, now what is the multiplying factor? If you want to find out 92.66%, can I say 0.9266? Everyone, yes or no? And this will come out to be 23165. Do we have any such option? Yes, we have this option pretty close to that. 23165. Can you see this answer, everyone? Correct. So answer should be option C. क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? Guys, एक thumbs up दिखाना तो बनता है. We are talking about arithmetic revision. Okay. So I'm sure you were expecting this kind of question. And of course, there are easier questions also. It's not like that we have taken all the tough questions. There are some easy questions also. Okay. Great. Chalo, let's move to this one. Can you try for this? Everyone, this is CAT 2018 slot 1 question, morning slot question. I believe 2 minutes should be more than sufficient to solve this question. Please do it. Yes, Robin, it was definitely tricky. I know. But it was logical. I mean, if you apply that logic, mostly you will find this kind of question in DI as a set. The question that we discussed previously, you will see in DI set. Okay. Bala, did you get that? Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead with this question, guys. I'm sure all of you are trying for this. Raju and Lalita originally had marbles in the ratio 4:9. Then Lalita gave some of her marbles to Raju. As a result, the ratio of the number of marbles with Raju to that with Lalita became 5:6. Okay, so Raju, Lalita, say 4x, 9x. Lalita gave some of her marbles to Raju. So let's assume that she gave n marbles to Raju. So now Raju has 4x plus n, Lalita has 9x minus n, and this ratio became 5/6, right? What fraction of her original number of marbles was given by Lalita to Raju? Can I say Lalita gave n marbles out of 9x marbles? So this is the fraction that we need to find, n by 9x. Now let's solve it and let's try to find out value of n by x. Even if we can find out n by x, we can put it and we can get the answer. So cross multiply. So what will you get? 24x plus 6n equal to 45x minus 5n. Right? So if we just solve this thing, we will get 11n is equal to, this will be 21x, or I can say n by x is equal to 21 by 11. So just plug in that value over here. So we'll get 21 by 11 into 9. So this is 7, this is 3. So that means this will come out to be 7 by 33. This is the fraction that was given by Lalita to Raju. Wasn't that a good question, guys? Simple question. See, at the first glance you may feel how will we solve it, because there are two variables, just one equation, but we don't need to get value of each variable. We just had to find out value of this n by x. We had to find out value of n by x, this part, guys, right? Correct. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Let's try for this one. This is also a good question. I'm giving you 2 minutes time to solve this, everyone. Okay? Dates. Beautiful dates. Have you ever thought, why do we call dates the dates? Matlab, dates. What is the reason for that? Okay. Fresh dates contain 80% water by weight, while dry dates contain 20% water. How many kgs of fresh dates should be purchased if you wish to have 12.5 kgs of dry dates, you want to have 12.5 kgs of dry dates, guys. So tell me your answer, type it in the comment section. If you could solve it, let me just put it this way. I'm just putting it in a pictorial manner. Okay, suppose I purchase some dates, right? So in this is water. This is water. And the remaining part is pulp. The solid content is the pulp. So 80% is water and this 20% is pulp. Yeah. Okay. Now when I left it under the sun to dry, you know, this water will get evaporated. And now what happens? In fact, plenty of water will get evaporated. So something like this. So now it becomes like this one. Now this is water and this is pulp. And this is 80%. Okay. And this is 20% now. Correct? So this is how the bifurcation is. These are the dry dates. These are the fresh dates. Fresh, dried. Now can I say we have taken 12.5 kg of dry dates, everyone? We have taken 12.5 kg of dry dates. So in that, water will be what? 20%. So it will be 2.5 kg and pulp will be 80%. So that is 10 kg. Correct? So even over here, can I say the pulp should be constant? So the pulp over here in this one should also be, it should be 10 kg, which is 20% of the total weight. So I can say 20% is 10 kg. So 100% should be 50 kg. That means we need to purchase 50 kg of fresh dates, guys. If we purchase 50 kg of fresh dates, so in that 50 kg of fresh dates, 10 kg will be the pulp. Please understand, 10 kg will be the pulp. When you left it under the sun to dry, this 10 kg pulp will remain as it is, water will evaporate, and this 10 kg is 80%. So what will be the complete dry date weight? 100% kya hoga? 12.5 kg hoga ki nahi, which is what we have been given, right? So answer should be 50 kg. We need to purchase 50 kg fresh dates. क्या सबको ये समझ में आया? Have you all understood this? Quickly show me a thumbs up, guys. All of you. Isha, Bala, Ankit, Robin, Tanay, Adil, Muskan, and others. Sumit. Great. So we went in this way. We started with dry dates and we reached to the fresh dates. Okay, fine. Let's understand it once again, guys. If you have any confusion, see what I said is in fresh dates. Yeah. In fresh dates, 80% is water, so remaining 20% is the solid content. So these are the fresh dates. So this is water, this is pulp. Pulp means the solid content. Water matlab water, of course. Now when I allow it to dry, so this is how it will become. The pulp will remain as it is. This pulp portion will remain as it is. But this water will evaporate. The some part of water will evaporate. And this is 20% now. And this is 80% now. And this is given as 12.5 kg. Right, these are dry dates, so that is 12.5 kg. So in this 12.5 kg, what is water and what is pulp? Can I say pulp is 80%? So what is 80% of 12.5? 80% means 4/5. So what is 4/5 of 12.5? It will come out to be 10 kg. So actually in our fresh date also, this pulp part was 10 kg, which was 20% of total weight. So what will be 100% of fresh dates? 50 kg. So that's how we got. Answer none of this. Are you clear, Tanay? Fine. Now guys, just to quickly tell you about my timings. Please note it down quickly. First of all of you should be part of this discussion group cat_discussions, and I conduct a YouTube session from Monday to Friday. I conduct 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, so I'm teaching arithmetic right now. So Monday we are going to discuss simple interest, compound interest, which we started yesterday. In case if you haven't attended my previous session, please watch the videos. They are available on this channel, which is Unacademy CAT4MBA, where you are watching right now. And I also conduct on Unacademy learning app 2 types of session: plus sessions and special sessions. To attend my plus session, you need to take subscription. Use my referral code SHAH10 and quickly take subscription. You can go for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months subscription, whatever you feel comfortable, but it has lots of advantages apart from the personal attention that you get. So if you have any query related to the subscription, feel free to talk to me. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my Telegram ID. So you can attend my 7 to 8 p.m. LRDI course. And in the coming days, I'm also starting the quant course, number system. I'm starting complete number system. So after number system, I'll be starting with permutation, combination, then arithmetic, then algebra, geometry, modern maths. I'll be teaching everything once again on plus course also. If you have taken plus subscription, you'll be able to attend all those courses. And I'm also conducting free special classes every day, 5 to 6:30 p.m. Right now I'm teaching algebra over there. So today 5 p.m. also we have session algebra, and tomorrow Sunday, every Sunday I conduct marathon session on special, and marathon session timing will be always 2 to 5 over here. On YouTube it's 2 to 4. So these are my timings, guys. And do not miss this session tomorrow. You will learn everything about time and work and time speed distance. Of course, it will be advanced level. So in case if you have missed the time and work, time speed distance class, so you can watch that. It's available on the learning app. Watch my video, previous video, so that tomorrow we are going to discuss CAT level question, different variety of question. Okay, so this is how you can learn with me. Your LRDI, your quant, your GDPI, this will be taken care by me, guiding you for colleges, exams. So this is where I'll help you. Okay, and verbal ability, we have Miss Apurva Joshi, we have Miss Ritu Dudoria. I'm sure you are enjoying their session also. So guys, your complete preparation will be taken care without joining any academy over here at Unacademy. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, what a song, right? Okay, it's rhyme brother. So subscription, just to quickly tell you guys, yeah, this is the referral code. Use that. Once you have downloaded the Unacademy app, you can choose your plan, and then on that apply this code. You will get this discount, and do not forget to inform me on these numbers. Now let's start with the second part, that is profit and loss. Are you all ready for profit loss, everyone? Great. So in profit loss, look at this example, because we had to understand these terms: cost price, profit loss, selling price, discount, and mark price. We need to understand relation between this. So quickly go through this one. I'll explain this example once again, which I have already explained earlier during the session. So in revision, I'll quickly take you through this. So in this one, a trader offers a discount of 20%. Remember, discount is always offered on the mark price. If there is no discount, then mark price and selling price will be same. Profit or loss percentage is always as a percentage of cost. Remember that thing. So this trader offers 20% discount and still makes 20% profit. And what profit percentage he would have made had he not offered any discount? So in such situation, you can straight away assume the cost as 100, profit is 20%, that is 20 rupees, right? So selling price will be 120, and this selling price is after 20% discount. So can I say this selling price is 80% of mark price? So what will be mark price? 120 divided by 0.8. 80% is 120. So what is the complete mark price? So it will come out to be 150. Now you can just check it once again. If my mark price, that is the printed price, is 150, if I offer a 20% discount, so can I say the selling price will come out to be 120? And the cost price was 100. So I'm making a discount, a profit of 20%. Now what is our question? Find the profit percentage if no discount would have been offered. Can I say if I do not offer any discount, then my mark price is 150 and my cost price is 100. Straight away I'm selling at 150, so my profit would have come out to be 50% in this case. क्या सबको समझ में आया ये मैंने क्या बताया? Cost price, profit loss, selling price, discount, mark price. Guys, are you all clear? Show me a thumbs up quickly. एक थम्स अप तो बनता है, ठीक है। Fine. So we need to understand this multiplying factor for selling price to cost price. See, please understand, if I tell you cost price is 120, profit is 12%, find out selling price. I'm sure you can easily do it. Find out 12% of 120. So 12 into 12, 144. So this will come out to be 14.4. Add it. So this will come out to be 134.4. Isn't this very easy? Everyone, this is very easy. Yeah. But cost price from selling price, this is not easy, ठीक है ना। selling price to cost price not easy, cost price to selling price very easy. So if we are given selling price as y, profit is 10%, so what will be cost price? Y divided by 1.1. remember this thing, profit 25%, and if you want to find out cost price, so y divided by 1.25. same way y divided by 1.47. Same way, if you are given loss, for example, your selling price is 198, you are incurring a loss of 10%. So what will be the cost? Can I say cost will be, of course, more than 198, only then we are incurring loss. So what will be cost? So guys, cost will be 198 divided by 0.9. See, you will have to divide the selling price by 0.9 if there is a loss of 10% to find out the cost price. So this will come out to be 220 rupees. Now you can easily think, if 220 is the cost, if you incur a loss of 10%, you must have sold it at 198. So this is how you can remember these two tables, which would help you finding cost price from selling price very easily. You don't require any formula. You don't need to remember any formula for this one. Okay. Fine. Some couple of more points. Now these are formula that you need to remember for selling price, cost price. You don't need to remember any formula, but remember this thing. When a person sells two similar items or two items at same selling price, one at a gain of X% and the other at a loss of X%, the seller always incurs a loss of X square upon 100%. X by 10 whole square means X square upon 100% loss. Remember, for example, selling price of two articles, first and second article, is same, 198. On first one I made a profit of 10%, on second one I incurred a loss of 10%. so what should be the cost price of first one? Can I say cost price should be 180? Only then when I sell at 198 I'll make a profit of 10%. Yes or no? Same way, what should be the cost price of this one? Can I say it should be 220 minus 10% of that will come out to be 198. So if you check in this transaction, I'm incurring a loss of 1%. Check this thing. Overall, why? Cost कितना है मेरा? टोटल कॉस्ट कितना हुआ? 400. सेलिंग प्राइस कितना हुआ? 396. तो लॉस कितना हो गया मेरा? 1% का हुआ कि नहीं? So this is how you can use this concept. Same way, if a trader possesses to sell his goods at the cost price but uses false weight, suppose वो 1 kg की जगह पे 800 ग्राम वाला वेट यूज कर रहा है, तो एरर जो है वो 200 ग्राम का हो गया. So 200 upon 1000 minus 200 into 100%, राइट. तो इस तरीके से कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. तो हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं इसके, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. चलो, ये हमने किया हुआ है, राइट. प्लीज ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. 1 minute and solve this. Any answer for this one, guys? A shopkeeper marks his goods his goods certain percentage above the cost and offers a discount of 8%, if he still makes a profit of 19.6%. Mark price, I don't know. Discount 8%. Selling price, cost price. Can I say if we assume cost price as 100, profit is 19.6%, so selling price should be 119.6 rupees. Everyone, selling price should be 119.6 rupees, correct? Okay. Now see, this has come after a discount of 8%, so what should be the mark price? Now we are given option for percentage markup. Of course our cost price is 100, so if I take this option 30, right? So according to this option my markup is 30%, right? Matlab my mark price should be 130. Now what is 8% of 130? 13 8s are 104, so this will come out to be 10.4. 130 minus 10.4, can I say it will come out to be 119.6? So yes, this is correct. The markup should be 30%. So in such question you can quickly go by option. Otherwise what it would have been? Okay, this is by options. Otherwise you would have used the normal method. Okay, please understand. The normal method would have been mark price is equal to 100y. Discount is equal to 8%, so minus 8y. So your selling price will be 92y. Profit is given as 19.6%. So what will be the cost price? So cost price will come out to be selling price to cost price divide by something, divide by 1.196. You will have to solve this thing. You will get some value. Then you will, if you check this, you will realize that this is 30% more. But this would be too complicated, right? So I'll not suggest you to do it that way. Instead, you can just follow this option approach for such questions. Fine, guys. Hope all of you would have understood and you would have got the answer. So why don't you try for this question? Chalo, 1 minute. 1 minute is more than sufficient for this question. It's slightly easy question. Are you all there, guys? Show me a thumbs up. In fact, now you will type your answer. Everyone, you will type your answer for this question in the chat box, please. Okay, any answer? A dealer sold 2 watches for 6,600 each. First watch, second watch. The selling price is same. See, but the profit and loss percent are different. Had the profit been 10% and loss been 10%, I would have straight away said that he has incurred a x square upon 100% loss, right? But here we need to, first of all, profit and loss are different and we need to calculate the rupees amount. So that formula will anyway not be useful. So this is 6,600. This is also 6,600. On the first watch, I'm making a profit of 10%. Here I'm incurring a loss of 20%. So cost price will be this one, 6,600 divided by 1.1, which is 6,000. And here 6,600 divided by 0.8. So this will come out to be 8250, right? So if you check the loss, total loss is equal to 1050, right? It's 1050 rupees, guys. It was this simple. If you can quickly do it, yeah, you can get the answer, right? Robin, Tanay, others, Ankit, Are you there? Correct. That was C. Option C is correct. Yeah. Solve this one, guys. This is also a good question. Yeah. So I'm giving you 5 minutes time for this one. Okay, you solve for this. I'll take a quick break of 2 minutes. I'll come back, but you try to do this thing. See, this is of linear equation. So we have already discussed linear equation. If you assume price of each orange is X, apple is Y, and banana is Z. So what they have given is 3X plus 2Y plus Z equal to 20 rupees. How many different combination of prices is possible? Okay. How many different combination of prices are possible? So this is what you need to find out. Correct? Let me give you a hint. See, the maximum coefficient is of X. So what are the possible values of X? Right? And they are positive integers, so you can't take 0. So X can be 1, X can be 2, X can be 3, X can be 4, X can be 5, X can be 6. These are the possible values, right? But if you take X as 6, so 6 3s are 18, 20 minus 18 is 2y plus Z is equal to 2. अगर मैं y और z भी 1 1 ले लेता हूं तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, so x equal to 6 आएगा ही नहीं, अब 2x equal to 5 ही आएगा. ठीक है? So now when you take x equal to 1, what is the equation? 2y plus z equal to 17, and find out the number of solution of this one. Same way do it for others. You know how to find out number of solutions, right? Whosoever is getting the answer will type it, and if you are not getting, probably you can explain to others also. Okay, otherwise I'll definitely explain the complete question. Please try for this. I'll be back in 2 minutes, guys. Yes. Hi guys. So what answer have you got? Ankit, Tanay, Robin, others. See, so let me explain. I think 24 is correct. 24 is correct. Now let me show you. You really don't need to solve this question completely. Guys, are you all there? Okay. So you don't need to solve it completely. There will always be a pattern. See, please understand. When I say 2x plus z equal to 17. So now what values of x can I take? When I take x as 1, because I can't take x and z as 0, they are the prices of apple and banana respectively, which are non-zero. So if I take x as 1, so z will be 15. Then if I take x as 2, so z will be 13, and so on and so forth. See, the coefficient over here is 2, so this price will change by 2. The coefficient over here is 1, right? So this price will change by 1. Okay, so can I say this will go up to 8 because 2 into 8 will be 16 and this will come out to be 1 in that case. So can I say I got 8 solutions? So when you take x equal to 1, so there are 8 possible prices for this one, y and z. Guys, this is y, by the way. Okay, y and z, there are 8 possible prices. If I just want to write down those 8 prices, so this is how you can write 1, 1, 15, then 1, 2, 13, and so on and so forth up to 1, 8, 1. So these are the 8 price. So we got 8 solutions over here. Same way when I take x equal to 2, so what will happen? 2y plus z will be equal to, now see, 3 into 2 is 6, 20 minus 6 is 14, so this will come out to be 14. So y value will go from 1 to 6 only, because if you take y as 7, so 7 2s are 14, so z will come out to be 0. So this will come out to be 2 when you take y as 6. So there are 6 solutions. Yes or no? These are 6 values. Same way when you take x equal to 3, how many solutions will you get? 3 into 3, 9. 20 minus 9, it's 11. 2y plus z equal to 11. तो y के value क्या ले सकते हैं? 1, 2, 5 ले सकते हैं ना? So we will get 5 solutions over here. Now count this thing. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19. Can I say none of this option is 19 or more? So it has to be this option. So this is how you can cancel off these options. Are you getting this point? See, I just solved 3 steps and I got my answer. Correct? Okay. Have you all understood this, guys? Fine. Let's go to the next one. So I'm sure you are clear about timings and all. Now the third part, which is simple interest, compound interest. So this is what we need to quickly discuss. So guys, I have all completely explained what is the difference between these two. In the case of simple interest, the calculation goes like this. Let's understand the calculation once again and let me explain the concept. I'll quickly do it in 2 minutes. You will understand the complete simple interest, compound interest. So if I borrow 1000 rupees at 10% per annum for 3 years, so interest for the first year will be 100 rupees, 10% of 1000, that is 100. For second year also, it will be same 100 rupees, 10% of 1000. For the third year also, it will be the same. So principal in the case of simple interest remains same because, you know, at the end of every year, you pay back this interest to the bank. So in the case of simple interest, you pay the interest as and when it is generated. But in the case of compound interest, we don't pay anything up to 3 years. We don't pay interest, neither principal, nothing. We pay interest and principal all together at the end of the loan period. So for the first year, the interest will be 1000 rupees that I borrowed, 10% of that is 100 rupees. So now the principal will be 1100 rupees because I'm not paying back this 100 rupees to the bank. So bank will add this new outstanding to the previous outstanding, which was 1000. So my new principal will become 1100. For the second year, the interest will be calculated on this 1100. So it will come out to be 110. So new principal will be this previous principal plus this new interest because we are not paying back to the bank. So it will be 1210. Again for third year, they'll calculate interest on this 1210. So it will come out to be 121 and so on and so forth. So total interest that you'll pay over here is 331. Total interest that you pay over here is 300. So you always pay more interest in compound interest case because you are not paying back the interest. So bank will calculate interest on interest also. Are you all clear up to this point, everyone? Great. So what are the formulas? So in simple interest, we can use this formula, PRT upon 100, where T is the time period. You can also write N, it's up to you. And compound interest, the amount formula is this one, and compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. See, this is the amount formula. When compounding is done annually, okay, compounding, what is compounding? जो interest को आप principal में वापस ऐड करते हो उसको compounding कहते हैं, right? So ये आपका annually हो रहा है. So अगर half yearly हो रहा है या quarterly हो रहा है तो formula ये हो जाएंगे. Are you all clear with this? Okay. Some special cases about simple interest and compound interest, some special formulae rather. Please remember this thing, difference between SI and CI after 2 years at R% per annum for the principal P. So this difference is equal to P R square upon 100 square. Same way, difference between SI and CI after 3 years for the same principal and rate of interest, it's 3 into PR square upon 100 square plus P into R cube upon 100 cube. याद रहेंगे ये दो फॉर्मूले everyone? Right? So what you can do is after the session, you can watch this video couple of times more, right? That would be really helpful. Okay, now let's look at this one. A person invested, try for this question. A person invested a sum of money in a bank at simple interest. He observed that his amount has grown to 1500 at the end of 3 years and 1900 at the end of 5 years. We have just discussed yesterday, right? Because we started with compound interest, so we have discussed this problem yesterday. So let's try to solve this thing. So guys, please understand, it's a case of some simple interest. So after 3 years, the amount is 1500. So can I say amount is equal to principal plus 3 years of simple interest, and this is given as 1500. Okay. Same way, amount is 1900 at the end of 5 years, right? So it's principal plus 5 years simple interest, which is given as 1900. So what is this difference? 400, which is nothing but if I subtract this equation, this first equation from second, so I'll get 2 years simple interest. So simple interest कितना आ जाएगा? Simple interest per year आपका आ जाएगा 200 rupees. So what should be principal? Can I say 1500 minus 3 years simple interest? So that is 900. So my principal was 900 and per year I am getting interest of 200. So what is the rate of interest? Can I say 200 divided by 900 into 100%? So this will come out to be 22.22%. Everyone? Yes? So this is how you do the calculation in simple interest. Are you clear up till now? Okay, fine. Let's look at next question. If the difference between SI and CI after 2 years at 10% per annum is this one, find the principal invested. Guys, what is the formula for difference? Now tell me quickly, what is the formula? It's P into R square upon 100 square. Yes or no? This difference is given as 15. Principal we need to find out. R is 10% upon 100 square. So if you solve this thing, you will get principal is equal to 1500. Very simple. See, now if we remember the formula, the question becomes very simple. Correct? Can you solve such questions? Okay. Now look at this question. Can you please try to answer this question on your own? Rupees 1000 invested at simple interest in bank A becomes double in 5 years. Simple interest में 5 साल में वो double हो रहा है. In how many years will it become 8 times? And what is the rate of interest per annum? There are two questions. This is question 1 and this is question 2. Please tell me the answer for both the questions. Chalo, do your calculations and type your answer quickly. It should not take much time. If I invest rupees X, so in 5 years, it became 2x. Yes, everyone? Robin, Ankit, Tanay, others. Type your answer. Rate of interest is 20%, correct? Because this, it has this X rupees is the interest. That means it's 100%. करेक्ट? एक्स पे आपको एक्स रुपीज का इंटरेस्ट मिला, मतलब 100% मिला, तो 5 साल में 100% मिला, तो 1 साल का कितना होगा? 20% होगा कि नहीं? दिस इज नथिंग बट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. ओके, इन हाउ मेनी इयर्स विल इट बिकम 8 टाइम्स? In how many years will it become 8 times? Can you tell me? $35 years, correct. Why? Because every 5 years X rupees will keep getting added. So after 5 more years, that is after 10 years, it will become 3x and so on and so forth. So we need to add 7x interest. So it will take 7 into 5, 35 years. Yes or no? Correct. So years for 8 times is equal to 35. Right? Very simple. Okay, what about this one? Chalo, try for this. ₹1,000 invested at compound interest in bank B becomes double in 5 years. Compound interest का है ये. In how many years will it become 8 times, and what is the rate of interest? So I invested rupees X in 5 years. Again it is becoming double, but this time it is at CI. Okay, it became 2x. 8 times बनने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना है, ये दोनों आपको बताना है. Of course, the number of years will be less than SI because compound interest में fast grow होता है, and rate of interest will also come out to be less than SI. Remember, क्योंकि compound interest में अगर 5 साल में डबल हो रहा है तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कम होता है, पर इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज बिकमिंग 5 टाइम्स. Yep. Okay, so please remember, in compound interest 20 years nahi Robin, that's incorrect. 20 years is incorrect. Let's see, in compound interest it became double. See, in simple interest rate we saw that X rupees is added every 5 years, so X rupees will keep getting added, because in simple interest for the same period the interest remains same. But in compound interest you will think it this way, for the same period the multiplying factor will remain same. So in 5 years it became double, so every 5 years it will keep becoming double, and in 5 more years, that is in 15 years, it will become 8 times. So answer is 15 years, right? Rate of interest is very difficult because amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n. Now it is becoming what? Double, that is 2x. If I invested X rupees, it became 2x in 5 years. So x plus r upon 100 raised to 5. Okay, so we need to take fifth root on both sides. So finding r is very complicated, isn't that? So this is where we will use something called rule of 72. क्या यूज करेंगे? Rule of 72 यूज करेंगे. So let's understand what is the rule of 72. Everyone, what is rule of 72? Straight away, years to become double at CI is equal to 72 divided by interest rate. You know, तो लॉगरिथम को यूज करके ये पूरा प्रूव किया गया है, बट आपको सिंपल याद रखना है. इट इज बिकमिंग डबल इन 5 years. So find the rate of interest. So I can say interest rate is equal to 72 divided by years to become double. So interest rate will be 72 divided by 5. So this will come out to be 14.4%. Approximately ये आपका आंसर आएगा. आप चेक करोगे तो 14.4% के आसपास रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा. क्या सबको ये रूल ऑफ 72 याद रहेगा फॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट? Show me a thumbs up if you all have understood this rule of 72. Great. Okay, now guys, there is something called installment. So installment we'll discuss in detail in the simple interest, compound interest session. For timing, you can just remember this formula. Okay, you can just remember the formula because you will have to understand this in detail. Okay, if 3 equal installment of 1000 each discharged a sum borrowed at 20% compound interest compounded annually, find the sum borrowed. So if I borrow some principal P for 3 years at rate of interest of 20%, so to pay back, if I use X rupees installment, then this relation holds true. So if I want to find out principal, this is how the calculation will be done. My installment, this is nothing but installment. 1000 upon, now can I say 20%? So 20 upon 100 कितना आएगा? 1/5, right? That is 0.2. So this is 1.2 plus 1000 upon 1.2 square plus 1000 upon 1.2 cube. Now this is going to be slightly complicated because to make denominator equal 1.2 cube, you will have to multiply by 1.2 square to both numerator and denominator. Then further multiply by 1.2 and so on and so forth. So this will be 1000 into 1.2 square plus 1000 into 1.2 plus 1000 is equal to your principal. Okay, now what will be this value? Just calculate. 1.2 square is 1.44 into 1000, so 1440 plus 1200. 1440 plus 1200 plus 1000, that is 2200. So 1440 plus 2200 is 3640. So this will come out to be 3640. Divide by 1.2 cube is 1.728. This will be your principal. So let's use our calculator once again and let's calculate 3640 divided by 1.728, assuming that I am writing CAT exam. So it will come out to be 2106, right? Where do I see that answer? 2106, option B, correct? This is 2106. Have you all understood this? So this is how you should be able to apply the formula. Same way, there is a formula for simple interest installment. So I'll explain everything in detail, that what is the concept. How did this formula come? So we will look at that during simple interest compound interest session. Okay, now guys, let's discuss some of the questions and concepts related to ratio proportion. So the first thing is ratio calculation, right? If I ask you to divide this 500 rupees in the ratio 9:8 in 9:6:10, something like this one. 9:6:10. How do we do it? So 9 plus 6 plus 10, 25. Divide 500 in 25 parts. So each part will come out to be 20. Multiply each one by 20, right? So the amounts will be 180, 120 and 200. So this is how you can divide this one in the given amount. I'm sure all of you are clear with this, correct? Then the other point is, guys, the other point is, if I'm given A is to B equal to 4:5, B is to C is equal to 2:3, and I want to find out A is to B is to C, or I want to find out A is to C. How do I do it? So it is done this way. A B C लिखो, 4:5 है, B is to C कितना है? 2:3 है. Common is B is the common number, so take LCM of this two. So you will multiply by 5 over here, 5, 2 over here, multiply by 2. You're trying to make the common value equal, so this will become 8:10:15. So this is the ratio, or you can say A is to C is 8:15, correct? Okay, so these are certain calculations that you had to remember. Now let's try for the question. Everyone, why don't you try for this question? It's a typical CAT question, very easy. I mean, you can say it's an easy question of CAT. Chalo, 1 minute time. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Please solve this question and type your answer in the comment section. You know, in 2019, so there were 15 to 17 questions based on arithmetic area, guys. So after this marathon, I'm sure if you take any mock test, you will be able to solve at least 8 to 9 questions out of them, right? So this is the objective of attending, this marathon sessions. Of course, I'll show you a shortcut to solve such question with two tanks with capacity in the ratio 2:1 are full of a mixture of oil and water. Tank A, B, oil, water, oil, water. The capacity are in the ratio 2:1. And here it is 5:8. And here it is 7:19. What should I assume as the capacity of tank A and capacity of tank B? That's the question. The capacities are in the ratio 2:1. What if I take this as 10 liters and this as 5 liters? You know, it will become very difficult for me to divide this 10 liters in this ratio. So don't assume 10 liters and 5 liters, guys. Variable में लेंगे तो again it will become complicated. So in such question, see, you want to assume this number as a multiple of 13. So this has to be multiple of 13 and this has to be multiple of 26. So if I assume capacity of tank B as 26 liters, so can I say capacity of tank has to be 52 liters, which is again a multiple of 13 that I wanted. Now divide 52 liters in this ratio, oil and water ka ratio 5:8. So this will come out to be 20 liters and 32 liters. Isn't that? If I take this as 52 liters and this as 26 liters, so I have kept that in mind, that capacity of tank A and B is in the ratio 2:1 and this 52 is a number which is multiple of 13. Same way here 26 is a number which can easily be split as 7 and 9. So if I do over here, the oil will come out to be 7 liters and water will come out to be 19 liters. If both these tanks are poured in a larger tank, what will be the ratio of oil and water in this result? Can I say oil will be total, what, 20 plus 7, 27 liters, and water will be 30 plus 19, that is 49 liters. Correct? Sorry, there is a mistake. This should be 32. So 32 plus 19, it's going to be 51 liters. So what is this ratio? 27 by 51, or you can say 9 by 17. This is the ratio, option C. Have you all understood how did I solve this question, guys? Can you do it this way? Fine, great. Sure, let's go to the next part. Now this is a partnership question. In the partnership question, we mostly calculate the rupee month or rupee year investment, and we divide the profit in the ratio of their rupee year investment. Now what does it mean by rupee year? So for example, let's take one example. A and B entered in a partnership by investing 1,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees. A invested, so this is their rupees, and months, so A invested for 12 months while B invested only for 8 months. So B will say at the end of the partnership, B will say, okay, see, I have invested more, I should get more profit. So what A will say, I have invested for longer duration than you, right? So how to tackle this situation? So you simply multiply the rupees with the months. So this will come out to be 12,000 rupees months, rupees into months, and this will come out to be 16,000 rupees month. That means you will have to divide the profit in this ratio. Divide profit in this ratio. 12:16, or you can say 3:4 ratio. Are you all clear with this one? This is how we solve partnership questions. So here what happens is A invests 10,000 in partnership. At the end of 4 months, he withdraw 2,000. So let's do A invested 10,000 and at the end of 4 months, he withdraw 2,000. So can I say A invested 10,000 rupees? I'm straight away finding rupees month. 10,000 he invested for 4 months. And after 4 months, he withdrew 2,000. Matlab his 8,000 is still there at the end of another 5 months. So this 8,000 remain there for 5 months. Correct? He withdraw another 3,000 rupees. So now what is left over there? 5,000 is left, and that is kept for another 3 months. That is till the end of the year. So total rupees month investment is 10 into 440, 8 into 540, 5 into 315. So that is 40 plus 15, 95,000 is his rupees into month investment. Correct? Now what about B? If B invests a certain sum in partnership at the beginning of the year and leaves it intact and receives 9,600 as his share of the total profit of 19,100 for the year, how much did B invest? Suppose B ने X rupees invest किया and he kept there for 12 months. So his rupees month investment will be 12x. Correct? Everyone, have you understood this? Now, please understand what is the share of B. So can I say share of B is 12x out of total 95,000 plus 12x? 95,000 plus 12x. This is the share of B, right? And this is given as 9,600. Correct? Or I can say, can I say B has got 9,600 out of 19,100? So 9,600 out of the total profit of 19,100. See, out of the total investment, B's investment is this one. So out of the total profit of 19,100, B's profit is this one. So can I say this two should be same? Everyone, did you get how did I get this ratio? Right? So just solve this thing. This is K is nothing but 95,000, by the way. So if you solve this thing, what will you get? You will get X equal to this is going to be slightly complicated. So if you want, you can simplify the numbers over here. Simplify as many numbers as possible. So this 9,600 upon 19,100. So 2 zeros will get cancelled off. And yeah, nothing much to cancel off. So you multiply this 12x into 191 is equal to 12x into 191 is equal to 95,000 into 96. See, 12x into 191 is equal to 95,000 into 96 plus 12 . This should not be so complicated. 96 upon 191. Okay. So, guys, एक second. Let's simplify this thing. This is actually not that complicated. See, you will feel it very simple because they have given simple number. इतना सारा multiply करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. See, please understand. A, B. Rupees into month is 95,000. B's rupees into month is 12x. Profit. Can I say B got 9,600 out of 19,100? So remaining profit, that is 9,500, must have been got by A. So 9,500 is equivalent to 95,000. So can I say 9,600 should be equivalent to 96,000? This should be 96,000. So can I say X should be 8,000? Everyone, simple, right? So answer should be 8,000. Are you all clear now? Correct. Yes, Ankit. So the numbers were easy. We really don't need to solve those complicated equations. So this is how you tackle partnership problems. Okay, guys, a couple of more questions related to ratios and then we'll proceed with mixture allegation. Okay. So yeah, try for this question of ratio. I think I'll not be able to complete the topic. So what I'll do is I'll release part 2 of this workshop. In fact, last time का geometry का भी part 2 pending है. So I'll release both of this within couple of days time. I'll release part 2 and it will be available on the channel. Okay, part 2 of this workshop. So do watch that. So what we'll do is we'll complete this part and then we'll end because we have another session at 5 o'clock, the algebra session. Okay. The salaries of Ramesh, Ganesh and Rajesh were in the ratio 6:5:7 in 2010 and in the ratio 3:4:3 in 2015. Right? Ramesh, Ganesh and Rajesh. So this ratio 2010 ratio was 6x, 5x and 7x. And it became 3:4:3. So in 2015, so 3y, 4y and 3y. If Ramesh salary increased by 25%, then the percentage increase in Rajesh salary. Guys, so Ramesh salary increased by 25%. So what I'm saying is 3y minus 6x is 25% of 6x. So this is nothing but 1.5x. So what will I get? 7y equal to 7.5x, right? Or I'll get y is equal to 7.5 upon 7x. I got this factor, correct? Now what I can do is instead of y, I can replace 7.5 by 7x. We need to find out Rajesh's salary increase. So can I say this should be equal to 3 into 7.5 by 7x. So what is this value? If you solve this thing, 22.5 by 7x. Now we want to find out, it was 7x and it has become 22.5 by 7x, correct? So what is the percentage change? 22.5, 22.5 by 7x minus 7x. Okay, divide by 7x into 100. So this is the percentage change. Of course, you cancel off this x and you solve this thing. Now there is some problem. There is some problem. It is guys, there is a problem. See, this is 3 actually. This is 3, right? So we will get 3y is equal to this one. So this will be 3 basically, right? So this will be 3 because we were getting negative. Now it is correct. Okay, so if you solve this thing, it will come out to be what? This is 21, 1.5 into 100, that is 150 by 21 percentage. So 150 by 21%. So 21 sevens are 147. So can I say it should be 7%? Correct. Yeah, Ankit, that is what I corrected that. Okay, so see, the moment we get some wrong answer, we realize that instead of 3y, I had written 7y over there. That was a small typo, right? So you can understand this is how it has to be solved. Fine, guys. Now, last question for the day, and a remaining part I'll release in part 2 and I'll try to upload it by tonight itself. Okay, the remaining part I'll try to do it by tonight if I get time, or by tomorrow late night. By tomorrow you will have geometry part 2 which is pending, as well as this one. So please watch that, it would be helpful to you. Okay. In an examination, Rama's score was 1/12 of sum of the scores of Mohan and Anjali. After a review, the score of each of them increased by 6. Right? So Rama's score was 1/12 of the sum of scores of Mohan and Anjali. So Rama, Mohan, Anjali. So if I take their score as 12x, so this will be x. After a review, the score of each of them increased by 6. तो रामा का स्कोर कितना हो जाएगा x plus 6 और इन दोनों का कंबाइंड स्कोर कितना हो जाएगा कैन आई से 12x plus 12 बिकॉज मोहन का भी 6 इंक्रीज होगा अंजलि का भी 6 इंक्रीज होगा तो 12 ऐड होगा यस ओके तनय आर यू देयर रॉबिन तनय आर यू स्टिल देयर और यू आर गॉन guys so tomorrow we are going to discuss that time speed distance okay so time speed distance and time and work so do not miss that workshop the arithmetic session that marathon session that I'm conducting on complete time and work and time speed distance on Unacademy learning app 2 to 5 p.m. right so at least that part will be taken care of and intentionally I was aware that today we might not be able to complete all the topics of arithmetic because it's huge right so that's why we will continue tomorrow and anyways in regular session also we haven't discussed this topic right good Robin so guys this is the case the revised score of Anjali Mohan and Rama were in the ratio 11:10:3 okay can I say this is 11:10:3 matlab this is Anjali, Mohan and Rama. So this is Anjali, this is Mohan and this is Rama. So can I say when Rama's score is 3, Anjali plus Mohan is 21, right? So Rama's score is x plus 6, Anjali plus Mohan is 12x plus 12. And this ratio should be 3/21, 3/21 or you can say 1/7. Yes or no? So cross multiply them. So you will get 7x plus 42 is equal to 12x plus 12 right so if we solve this thing what will we get 5x equal to 30 or x will come out to be 6 so Anjali's score then Anjali's score exceeds Rama's score by now Anjali's score exceeds Rama's score so of course you will have to split this also in the ratio 10:11 you need to split this in the ratio 10:11 how will you split that only then we'll get Anjali's score right guys so x is 6 so what is this value let's solve it over here the combined score will be 12 into 6 I'm putting instead of x I'm putting 6 72 plus 12 84 divide 84 in this ratio 11:10 so this is 10:11 because Anjali is 11 this Mohan is 10 so how will it come out to be 44 and 40 so Anjali's score should be 44 then Mohan's score should be 40 and Rama's score should be x plus 6 that is 12 these are the scores so what is the ratio so then Anjali's score exceeds Rama's score so this is exceeding by 32 guys have you all understood this or do you want me to explain again the question did you get this part please let me know in case if you feel that I should explain this question again in step by step manner right so guys just couple of things go for the subscription go for at least 3 or 6 months plan that would be helpful you will get mock test you will get complete support from me and many other things right so use this referral code SHAH10 when you go for the subscription and attend my plus courses also okay so there is slightly different thing that we do in the plus courses and you get some additional benefits apart from getting that personal attention from me So yeah, you can do it and ask your friends also about this. Make a group, do it in groups. So that would be wonderful. So that's it as far as this session goes. We'll continue with 5 o'clock session, and yeah, part 2 of this workshop will be released soon. So you can also enjoy that. Not forget to attend my tomorrow's marathon session. So see you there also. Thank you guys and have a good day. Bye bye.